Too much pain, too much injustice, too much harassment, too much abuse. Where do you go, Britain? Where shall we go? Today we stand here in the rain, asking for just one smile, and nobody's coming. Today we stand here in the silence, too much pain to explain, too much injustice.